Welcome to Research Skills for Engineering Students Module 5, Part 2, Academic Databases. In this video, you'll learn why the engineering database Compendex is a good database to use when looking for scholarly engineering research. Compendex is a database for scholarly engineering resources. It contains millions of articles from engineering journals and conference proceedings, some of which may not be found in Summon. To access Compendex, click the Indexes and Databases tab from the UBC Library homepage and search for Compendex. Click the database name to access it. When searching Compendex, it's best to enter your concepts into separate search boxes. You can use search operators described in Part 1 of this module within each search box, as well as through the drop-down selections on the left-hand side. For example, let's review one of our research questions from Module 1. What types of buildings or infrastructure are most susceptible to earthquake damage? We might start by searching for building * or infrastructure and earthquake * or seismic and susceptible * or risk *. You'll see that the number of results retrieved by Compendex are much less than those from Google or Summon. The results are primarily scholarly journal articles and conference proceedings focused on engineering topics. Once you have a results list, you can sort them by relevance, date, author, or source. There are a number of filters or limits on the left side of the search results screen. Explore these to determine some of the most helpful options for you. To learn more about an article, click the detailed link. Here, you can see more information about the authors, source, and read the abstract. You'll also see a number of terms in the article record. These are controlled vocabulary or subject headings introduced in Module 5, Part 1. They describe what the article is about. The terms make up the database's thesaurus, which contains synonyms as well as broader and narrower terms. You can search the thesaurus by using the Thesaurus Search tab from the Compendex search page. For example, if we search for skyscrapers, we'll see that we are directed to use the term tall buildings. A broader term for tall buildings is buildings. The thesaurus helps capture the various terms that can be used to describe a single concept. Not every term is found in the thesaurus. Do a keyword search if you can't find your term. Ask a librarian for help with the thesaurus if needed. To access the full text of a journal article or conference proceeding, click the UBC eLink button. You'll usually be brought to this page from UBC Library, which will tell you where you can access the article. Click Full Text Online. Depending on who publishes the journal article, the web page you arrive at may look a little different. What you want to look for is how you can download or save the PDF. Sometimes the article is only available in HTML format. Sometimes after you click the UBC eLink, you may see that the item is not available online. There are a lot of resources that UBC Library doesn't have access to, but you may find useful for your report. Check if there are any print copies in the library by clicking on Search UBC Library Catalog. If the article isn't available online or in print, you can request it be brought in for you via UBC Interlibrary Loan. This is a free service for UBC students, faculty, and staff. However, it takes time to bring in the item. Research early so you have time to acquire all the resources you need. See UBC Library's Interlibrary Loan pages for more information. If you're having any difficulty in finding or accessing an article, ask a librarian. That concludes Module 5, Part 2. Compendex is but one database you can use in your engineering research. Every database holds different content, so will provide different results. In the next video, you'll learn about Web of Science, a useful multidisciplinary database.